Yep. Come do it on my head.
Okay, guys. Oh, good. We got front row Joe.
I'm gonna.
Oh, look at you guys. I got y'all some sparklers.
Ooh, here.
I'm gonna, here, set these down. Set them down so y'all can.
Luke and Betty.
Daddy's done here. I'm walking back.
Dad, crack it on their head.
You can just crack them.
All right, come here.
But just the hat
No,
off.
I'm gonna do it on my head.
Ah! Oh,
Oh, here, pour it up.
Don't move it. Ah! Confetti everywhere. That's what they're for doing. I cracked it on her head again.
Yep.
Need to remember to bring boots.
I know you do.
Party raft taking its maiden voyage.
You can join, just keep the rope tight so it doesn't get. Yeah, the thing is, I'll have to Andrew, watch out for the dogs. You're not gonna go reverse the whole time.
Hey, do you want to see something, Mom?
Yeah, get more even with the boat.
We are.
Then you'll have like a barge.
I think we almost
Yeah,
got
those ducks said they wanted to talk to you.
They did.
And then I gotta dive in and save you.
I'm good at swimming. I can't swim more slowly because I'm too big.
You want to try to pull the rope?
Okay. I'm just.
Yes,
Or
sir.
we could go fast. Doesn't the lake look so beautiful?
Hey!
Doesn't the lake look so beautiful?
We're in the same Navy here.
This lake looks beautiful. I see the ducks that can swim. There was a big spider on a slope.
Hey, Andrew, you got an anchor, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to throw it out.
Balance on this?
Yeah?
Can we push it?
Dad, can you come over here and I'll swim? So fun. Just, I'm not so sure of how I'm getting down.
You're gonna go on a rope swing. That's how you're gonna get down.
I have to go on the rope swing.
You're on there, bro.
We got a war going on this boat. We got a breach. The rebel forces are overtaking the boat. We've got a child on board and a woman.
It's not my fault. The thing just kept going in a circle.
Trey is going to set the course correct.
Yes.
You're done! You're done!
You're done.
There's chaos amongst the board, amongst the crew. The crew has turned on themselves. The Captain Trey will set the course correctly.
The fence, Wyatt!
Where you going?
You're out of water, Wyatt! You're out of water! What are you gonna do?
Rachel thinks this is hysterical. Rachel's laughing so hard right now. Jack is not sure what to make of all this. He doesn't know what's going on. Andrew, oh dang, okay, yeah. I made a fun little film that, oh wait, no, it's still going. I'm sorry. This is like reality.
Gotta come closer.
Wyatt is back into a corner. What will he do next?
Yeah, bud.
Hey, we're all ready.
Well, just hang tight. Hang tight. 1 sec. Watch Uncle Andrew. Yeah, don't hold on. Just hold on to Uncle Andrew.
You ready?
You're like Tarzan.
2, 1.
Yep.
Jack, record the whole thing. It's on.
Oh, you know how to do it?
How do you push it?
Wait, here, give me the camera. Jack, bring the camera over here.
It's the lake, Jack.
Hold your hand.
Dad, I want you to come over here and.
I don't think you jumped out far enough.
Did you? Did you touch ground?
Barely.
I am. All right, you think you can catch it?
I don't know.
All right, here you go, here you go. You got it. It's okay, buddy.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! All
After
right.
you.
The boat
Dig ice out of any of these coolers.
versus the tractor. Who gets there first? Go! Go! Let's go! Let's go! The race is on. Is that Dolly? Which one's Dolly? Oh.
I think she's the only one.
It's gonna be close. They beat us. We're gonna anchor it out. Good job, Jack. Good job, bud. Whoa.
Yeah, mother.
Yes, Papa Jay.
Still got it. All right, whenever you're ready, bud. Woo.
Right, I did. I took a video.
Excited.
It was so, no, he was already asleep.
Man, you lit another one?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, these are good kids.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a spot right
Jackson start. Oh yeah.
Woo! Swing him around. Watch out, Aunt Rachel.
No, don't swing him around.
Oh, those are cool.
These are like Roman candles.
He'll learn real quick.
Well, he's already done it. Come on.
These last two were really good.